Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth's invisible shield, its magnetic field, vanished overnight? Generated by molten iron churning in our core, this geodynamo creates the magnetosphere, a bubble that deflects deadly solar and cosmic radiation. Without it, charged particles would slam into our atmosphere, frying satellites, disrupting power grids, and gradually stripping away the air we breathe. Life itself would be in chaos. Migratory animals, birds, turtles, bees, rely on magnetic cues to navigate and would become hopelessly lost. The sky would erupt in auroras around the entire globe, yet gazing up could be lethal under intense radiation. On the surface, UV levels would skyrocket, driving cancer rates through the roof and damaging ecosystems. Over geological timescales, constant solar wind would erode our atmosphere. Mars suffered this fate, and without air, climate would spiral into extremes. Temps would swing wildly, weather patterns collapse, and breathable oxygen could vanish. Could humans adapt? Some might survive underground or underwater, where rock and water offer partial protection. Ambitious ideas propose deploying giant magnetic shields in space or orbiting generators, but the cost and scale make them science fiction for now. So next time you use GPS or marvel at the northern lights, remember, they exist thanks to a giant magnet beneath your feet. Lose that, and our world as we know it simply couldn't survive.